Good morning, boys and girls. It's me again, old Pa, with another installment of Crazy Train. Say good morning, Tay.
Morning.
So anyway, it's pouring, or poured all last night, like cats and dogs. So we are working on this. It's a torpedo bomb. We're going to go into the torpedo bombing business. We've got to install fins on it. Now this is the blatter for the delimbers. This is a hydraulic accumulator bladder, and how it works. Here's the, basically, Tay just got the jam nut and stuff off of that. That's a Schrader valve to charge it. But here's the new bladder for it, right? Cha. There's some O-rings and backup ring, O-ring and backup rings for the front cover. And then this is on this. It's a hydac, but it says caution, pressurized vessel. Yeah. So what you need to do, obviously this bladder's flat. It leaks, so your knives won't work on your delimber. So, but this is the new bladder, and there's the little Schrader valve. And I think we got to charge this with nitrogen, which I have a nitrogen tank. Butcher man, good morning.
You charge with nitrogen?
Yeah, I think you can charge it with CO2, CO2, or that's what I have, CO2, I think, or even oxygen, just air, compressed air. But what you do is you blow this bag up probably to a couple 100 pounds pressure, and then as the oil comes in the other end of it, it dams up against the bag, and then when the valve opens the other way, it pushes accumulated pressure back out onto the knife. So, but this is the end. I think we got to get this out, and then we can put the new bag in, put this back together, and then charge the bag. So there's a fitting on the bottom of this tooth tape. We don't bung it up. We're going to need to put a pipe wrench on that, I guess. I don't know. See what happens? Oh, look at that, huh? Wow. It didn't take much, did it?
You hook to the bag? Oh, wait a minute.
There's nothing, no, there's no attachment on the back of the bag.
Here, pull it.
I did one of these like 15 years ago, but I can't remember.
Threads in there. This is just the back.
Well, that's just a jam nut, so I'm assuming there are some kind of threads in it. I don't know. A light. Here, look at this. Voila. Is that bright enough?
New toy.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's just the bag holding it apparently. I don't know. Okay.
Any luck finding a 12 boss?
No.
I'll go get one. I'm sure there's one around here somewhere. We buggered this up getting it out. It's just a 12 boss JIC.
You like bags always holding it though.
Bugged it up. There's nothing holding it on that end. It's just got to be.
This is just like the end piece.
I don't know.
There's gotta be something hooked to it. Maybe not. Maybe that's just for the. That's just for the.
It must just thread in a little bit, and then that jam nut locks it in, I guess. I don't know.
Yeah, that's what I don't get. It pushes in, but it won't come out. No. What's that bag? It's got suction on it.
I don't think. Don't want no suction on your bag. It's got to be threaded out all the way because it'll slide back and forth.
It slides back and forth.
Might be just like an O-ring seal or something in here. Figured out how this thing goes. Action! Watch that stupid socket don't blow up.
Holy shit.
That worked, huh? Now we can get a socket on it.
Easy.
Easy. Yeah, leave that on there in case we gotta spin this other thing.
Oh, okay.
So now we can get in there.
Now you can get in there. Huh? You got your, and look at that. That's just a bushing.
Where's
your socket that you had?
Here somewhere.
Right over.
Okay, so what we got here is a retainer little lock nut that's got some kind of a doodad on the back of it that holds that thing